What's up guys, welcome back to another Kick 6 video. Since the whole corona thing is happening, I'd like y'all to know that please stay inside, don't spread the virus anymore, unless of course you need to do some shit, or at least go by yourself, you know. So, with that being said, welcome to my new video. I wore this pair yesterday and I was like, fuck, they're so nice, I have to do a video on them. I kept looking down to my feet like, damn, this colorway is magnificent. So yeah, it's not an Air Max 1. I like Air Max 98s a lot too. I got these about a year ago. Got them from Beastin. Shout out to you guys. Always coming through with nice deals and shit. I believe I got these for full price. When I first saw the release pictures, I was like, shit, I need those. That colorway is just too fresh and it reminds me a lot of Frieza from Dragon Ball Z. I'm not sure if Frieza has purple or more pink in its color scheme, but I don't know, this pair just really reminds me of him. So, to get into the kicks, here's the box. It is a women's release and it is a size 11, which is a 43 in EU size. So the focusing is, like most of the times, a little bit fucked up, but hey. Yes, well, in centimeters, a women's 43 is actually the same centimeters as a men's 44, but they are a little bit narrower, so you could just go for the 43 or US 9.5. So the colorway consists out of white, razor pink, light gray or graphite. It's not mentioned on the box. I read it earlier, but I forgot. And the purple isn't mentioned anywhere, but it looks a little bit like court purple to me. So I don't know, if you know the exact colorway, let me know. And the color code is AH6799110. Alright, so I unds them yesterday. I was waiting for a pretty long time for a day with nice weather, and since it's still nice weather, just it's a little bit cold and super windy, so I hope the B-rolls will be a little bit steady, because I don't have a gimbal, none. It's just me trying to film super steady, you know. But with the wind sometimes it's a little bit difficult, but I can always use the warp stabilizer when editing, but it does warp the image sometimes. So here is the kick. Man, it's really a super nice colorway. I love the vivid pink, the razor pink. It's a little bit of neon pink, in my opinion. Let's just take them both out. So, not sure if it's visible. It is visible like this. My super clean pair. Alright, so let me get into the materials a little bit. Get a little bit closer. So the whole mudguard is felt, and in the, I think maybe court purple. And then you have the razor pink accents on the swoosh, which is embroidered. And there's another embroidered swoosh on the toe. This part here is all white leather, with of course the 3M piping around there for that nice accent in the dark. Also the pull tab right here has a 3M accent, just as these two. And that's all the 3M that's used on the shoe. They've got nice gray mesh with purple stripes on there, and the tongue is white mesh with the purple and the razor pink accents. And for the insole there's a purple insole with the Racer Pink branding on there. And of course the big Racer Pink bubble. Very dope, like that. And a black outsole, not special, with a Racer Pink swoosh underneath. So I tried to look up this kick as much as possible to see if there was a story on this pair, and I couldn't find anything, so I don't think there is a story attached. So I'm just call these the Friezas, and from now on it's I don't know how Goku beat this motherfucker up. So I think it's enough talking now. I think it's time to go outside and get some cool on-feed shots, if I'm not gonna get blown away, that is. So I'll see you outside. Yep.